Yes, it stopped working. He bought it in a lot from a man's widow after he died.
And he told her that this car had stopped working, but let's see if it really stopped working. This one stopped working 10 years ago, huh?
And sometimes they can tell you that a car stopped working and you can see for yourself. We spent all our money, wasted it, bought a new battery, and then what happened? Yeah. So you have to analyze these things and say it's not just a new battery and a bit of money. Sometimes it's more than just a bit of money.